Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now going for a ride in our 1956 Chevy Bel Air Convertible. Beautiful ride here at Skyway Classics, featuring a turquoise and white two-tone exterior with a white power top. Going onto the wheels, also painted the same color, turquoise, with the black and white line tires. Very beautiful ride. Moving on to the interior, you can also see they kept that wonderful color combination. Very good job on the bench seat, I must say. That fine leather looks good. Feels good, definitely, as I'm sitting down in it. Definitely better than a new car today. Still got the old school steering wheel with the working horn. Have their stock speedometer. Everything seems to be working. Even the temperature gauge, I don't know if you can really see it, is still moving as it should. Other than that, updated 2-knob radio sound system. Stock clock on the next to the glove box. And other than that, there's also the top switch on the lower left next to the windshield wipers. Oh, and underneath the hood, you have the small block Chevy. Updated valve covers, a little bit of freshening up. Has the stock manifolds, performs as it should. In fact, now we're coming up to a stop. We'll give you a little bit of a brake test. In fact, the brakes are so good in this car that they'll stop right on just. Very nice. Other than that, now we can open it up a little bit since there's nobody really coming. Very nice for an old car of its age. Definitely beautiful in the process. Other than that, you know, this is the 56 Bel Air. I do want to add a little fun fact. Gas cap is always behind the driver tail light. You may not know that. I shouldn't have said that so loud because people might want to siphon your gas. But, haha, it's just a joke of the 21st century. Other than that, now we're just going to get it safely turned around and up on the lift. So, stay tuned to see the underneath.